Alright, we're gonna try to catch some lightning on video. Hopefully you guys will be able to see it. Oh, no, it won't. We can't catch it on video. Oh my god, that was so beautiful! Marek, you gotta take a look at this. Just keep watching.
I said right, let's just not.
No, you missed the big one.
Wow.
That is sick. I've never seen it like this before. I'm telling you, the world's coming to an end very soon.
I think those things happen usually by the beach.
Wow.
That was a lightning. Erica, get ready. We're all going down.
Wow.
Very short.
There was one over there. I don't think I caught it though. This is so freaking cool.
Got bats flying around over there.
They're not bats, they're birds.
Come on, what are you gonna fuck it up for? People will believe it.
Hey, you got a kitty running right there. Ooh, I'm missing all the lightning. It's funny though, we're supposed to hear the thunder. If I'm not mistaken, thunder happens 7 seconds after the lightning bolt.
Oh, look at that kitty go.
I don't care about the kitty. Okay, but you can actually see the kitty.
Come here.
Wow, this is so
What was that?
beautiful.
I heard something. I heard a gunshot.
How do you already do? What the hell are you hear?
Sound
Oh
like,
man,
sound
that's
like
so
fireworks.
pretty.